Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to learn about another built-in function for Python. So, I'll go ahead and tell you what it's called. It's called Enumerate, and all that is a fancy way to say link, like to index, to number things, to link numbers. So, let's just show you. Let's say we have a group of names. Then, just like with zip, I'm going to show you a bad way to do it to see how much a pain this can be. Count 0. Then we're going to do this goofy for loop. You don't have to understand. You don't have to do this or read it, but I'm just going to show you what this does. So now, grab this, and then we're going to run it, and we get 0, 1, 2, and we can change this to go to 1 because that's a better way to count things because we're used to that. So okay, we got to do a for loop and then have a counter and then have it go up by 1, increment it. That's just a pain. So now let's block this out and let's show you the built-in function Enumerate. So now see if I spelled it right. See how it went purple? Cool. I spelled it right. Names, and you grab the index, and you can come over here and read this. Enumerate. It's going to tell you. So okay. Remember zip, enumerate, it's going to return an enumerate object. So I want to see if you can remember what we had to do. We created a zip object and we had to do something. So we're going to run this. Okay, nothing happened. We call new. What did we say I created? An enumerate object. And here it is. So remember what we did last time with zip? We had to wrap it in our list function. Another group of tuples. So now let's create a for loop that I can just print this out. So let's go over what this for loop is doing. So I'm going through each group, and since it's a list, a tuple of 2 elements, index 0, index 1. So now let's run this. So lo and behold, here we go. So alright, let's go back up and look at the rules for, you might go, well it started at 0, so okay. Python has a rule for this. Alright, so you can put however many sequences you need, and right here it takes a second object. We can tell it where to start. It's going to start at here is useful obtaining index, and it starts with a default of 0 right here. Always tells you a defaults to 0. So we can change this to 1. Now lo and behold, put that in the wrong spot. Look at where I put it. Needs to be inside this one. Rerun that, and lo and behold, here we go. So let's block this out. Bring that back, sorry. So let's undo that, and let's see if this matches. So we got Sam, Tom, Steve, 1, 2, 3. Sam, Tom, Steve, 1, 2, 3. So this returns a list of tuples. This function, this built-in function from Python. So this is very handy if you have a list of items and you just want to have it print out or whatever you need to do to link, to count for you and have the numbers correspond. This is a very, very handy and powerful function that the creators of Python have created for you. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys are getting something out of it. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and leave any comments or questions below, and I'll get right to them. Thanks, guys. See you next time.